Hi guys, today we'll trade on a Quotex platform, and before we start, I recommend you trading by my signals where the profit of deals is more than 80%. Please come to my Telegram for more details and let's start trading. We start a trade session with a balance of $10. Let's open our trade to reduce the price. Now it is in an overbought state, where we have formed a shooting star candle pattern at the resistance level, where we see the shadow of sales on the candle, and we had a tangent line on the resistance. And now, according to the sequence, we expect a decrease in the price and sequence the movement of the red candle. So let's wait for our trade to close. And we perfectly close the deal. Continue trading. Also open a deal to reduce the price, as we see the price is overbought and there is a high volatility where support and resistance levels have formed from where, as we see, the price is repelled by us. So now we can, despite on the movement of our indicators, successfully close our trade on the movement of the red candle from the impulse. So let's wait for the completion of our trade. And we successfully closed the deal and continue trading. Open our trade with a downward trend, as we see that we have a dominance on the downtrend and sequence of a candle patterns, and in the end of the next time frame, 1 minute at a time, we can successfully close our trade with a downward trend. Successfully close the deal. Continue trading. Here we see that it's possible to open our trade to increase the price, since it reached the support level from where the price bounced up from the from this state. The trend was dominated by a downward one. Therefore, according to the sequence of candle patterns and their movement from the formed triangle of candle patterns, we can successfully close our trade. So let's wait. And we successfully closed the deal and continue trading. So let's open our deal for an increase in the price, as now we see that on the impulse of a downtrend in an underward state of the price, where we have formed support and resistance lines, the parabolic indicator indicates to us the beginning of a trend reversal to an upward one, as we see that for a long time it was descending. So let's wait for our trade to complete. And we successfully closed the deal and continue trading. We can open our deal with the trend for an uptrend, as we see that we now have a parabolic indicator, and the alligator indicates the direction of the trends, as that is, we reach an overbought state and overcome our resistance line. Therefore, now let's wait for our deal to close. And we successfully closed the deal. continue trading. Let's open our trade to reduce the price now. We see that the trend is downtrend. As you see resistance lines and the impulse of the green candle, now we can close our trade successfully according to the sequence of the candle patterns movement at the end of the time frame on red candle. And we successfully closed the trade. Here we will open our trade to reduce the price, as we see that the price has reached an upward state where the impulse of the red candle has formed. That is what gives us an impulse from the resistance lines for trend reversal. So let's wait for closing. Great, we successfully closed the deal. And we can continue trading. Here we'll open a double trade to reduce the price, as we see that we have the full potential of opening our downtrend, since we see that we have a high volatility. So now we can expect after this formed level of support and resistance impulsive price decline. So let's wait for our trade to close. As we see that there is a large shadow on the upward side on the sell, we also see that the alligator movement averages are now starting their reversal, so we can successfully close our trade. We successfully close our deal. Let's continue trading. Here we will open our double trade for an increase in the price here. As we see that for a long time the price was in an onward state and the trend was downtrend. So now we see we have all the potential to open an uptrend. As we see that our moving average of the alligator indicator has a sideways price that is uncertainly, so the slope, as we see, there is an ascent also according to the sequence of such patterns. As we see that there is no volatility here, we can successfully close our deal according to the sequence of the green candle. And we successfully close our deal. Here we open 4 deals for an uptrend. We also see that we have support and resistance levels where the price comes from, where we have already started our upward trend from the push, as we see the parabolic and our moving average indicates the beginning of an uptrend and its movement. The price trends to an upward state, and now let's wait until our trade is closed. Great, we successfully closed the deal. Let's open the last deal for today and complete the trade. Here we can open our deals for the entire month to reduce the price. As we see that after the impulsive green candle, we have potential for moving averages, as well as the movement of candle patterns on the impulse to close our deal on red candle. So now we will wait for the closing of a successfully completed deal. And we are successfully closing our deal. With this we can finish for today, and in conclusion I want to recommend you my private channel with my own strategy, with my private signals. You can find it in the description by link. So thanks for watching, bye bye.